It's story time with Lego Bob. Today we're going to be reading Love is a Truck, words by Amy Novesky, pictures by Sara Gillingham. Love is a truck, shiny and new. Lights and sirens that go woo woo woo. Love is a fire engine, red as a heart. A ladder truck, spotted dog in the back. Love is a dump truck, rounded with dirt. A bulldozer, a digger, a rolling cement mixer. Love is a loader, love is a lifter. A truck on a truck, a flatbed trailer. Love is an ice cream truck, the sweetest truck of all. Love is a kid who lines them all up, biggest to smallest, color by color. A truck parade, a parking lot. Love is a truck to tuck into bed, hold tight. Lucky truck. Good night. That was Love is a Truck by Amy Novesky and Sara Gillingham. Lego Bob's review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars.